Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about hydrosphere. So what is hydrosphere? You know my friend, the totality of water surrounding the earth comprising all the bodies of water, ice and water, vapor in the atmosphere. That is water held in ocean, river, lakes, glaciers, groundwater, soil, in air. These all things under the hydrosphere. So what is the component? Ocean, cryosphere, glaciers, atmospheric water vapor, fresh water, surface water, and groundwater. So this is the pictorial diagram. The location of some major global water reservoir, ocean and surface water drainage basin. So the Earth's hydrosphere, distribution of water on Earth. So look at here, maximum present in ocean, then cryosphere, underground aquifers, lakes and river, atmosphere and biosphere. Now in pie graph you can see 97.2 ocean and only 2.8 glacier and 0.62% groundwater. So freshwater lakes, saline lakes and inland seas, soil moisture, stream channel, atmosphere. Nano oceans, components, percentage of total hydrosphere. Now how much of Earth's water is usable by human? Look at here, water usable by human, groundwater, fresh water lakes and river. You can see the river is unusable by human. 0.3% in usable by human, which is groundwater, all water on earth. So volume of hydrosphere, this is the amount. No need to memorize it, just look at here. Total surface area of earth, ocean, land, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. So look at this pictorial diagram. Estimate of global water reservoir. So origin of water. Degasification theory. What is the origin of water? Degasification theory. Water vapor, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrocarbon, ammonia, sulfur, hydrochloric acid, argon, hydrogens came to earth during lava degasification resulting into water. Acid ran to underlying water reserves to alkali earth. Collision with comets, 4 to 40% of water. You can see the glaciation, lower water level, mountain ice, vegetation, ocean greater size, water cycle, photosynthesis, 500 million kilometers. So this is the pictorial diagram, period, quaternary, tertiary, and like this. So world ocean, volume of water. 4 oceans are Pacific, Indian and Atlantic. Southern Ocean. So this is the world ocean and seas graph. Now depth: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Now zone, a different zone. So for chemistry people, it is not necessary to go through this. So epipelagic zone. The surface layer of ocean is known as epipelagic zone and extend from the surface to 200 meters. You know, my friend, it is also known as the sunlight zone because this is where most of the visible light exists with the light come heat. And this heat is responsible for the wide range of temperature that occurs in this zone. So animals that live in the twilight zone must be able to survive cold temperature, an increase in water pressure and dark water. Octopus, squid, and hatches fish are some of the animals that can be found in this zone. Mesopelagic zones. Below the epipelagic zone is the mesopelagic zone, extending from 200 meter to 1000 meter. The mesopelagic zone is sometimes referred to as twilight zone or mid-water zone. The light that penetrates to this depth is extremely faint. It is this zone that we begin to see the twinkling light of bioluminescent creature. A great diversity of strange and bizarre fishes can be found here. Now, bathypelagic zone. It is sometimes referred to as the midnight zone or dark zone. This zone extends from 1000 meter down to 4000 meter. Here the only visible light is that produced by the creature themselves. The water pressure at this depth is immense, reaching 5,850 pounds per square inch. In spite of the pressure, a surprisingly large number of creatures can be found here. Sperm whales can dive down to this level in search of food. Most of the animals that live at this depth are black or red in color due to the lack of light. Now, a mesopelagic zone. It extends from 4,000 meter to 6,000 meter. The name comes from Greek word meaning no bottom. The water temperature is near freezing and there is no light at all. Very few creatures can be found at this crushing depth. Most of these are invertebrates such as basket stars, tiny squids. Three quarters of the ocean floor lies within this zone. The deepest fish ever discovered was found in the Pteroraig Trench at the depth of 27,460 feet. Now, Hadal Pelgic zone. This layer extends from 6,000 meter to the bottom of the deepest part of the ocean. The deepest point in the ocean is located in the Mariana Trench off the coast of Japan at 35,797 feet. The temperature of the water is just above freezing and pressure is an incredible 8 tons per square inch. In spite of the pressure and temperature, life can still be found here. Invertebrates such as starfish and tube worm can thrive at this depth. You can see. So you have the ocean range, ocean means, required accuracy, temperature, absolute salinity, and pressure. You know the ice sheet, 2.53% fresh water, 1.7 for ice sheet, and 700-meter average. Now you can see major river basin of the world. So what is groundwater? Groundwater is the water that has drained through surface layer of soil and rock until it reaches a layer of rock material through which it cannot pass or can pass only very slowly. And this result is the accumulation of water in the rock layer. Above this impermeable layer, the water is stored in gaps in rock or between the particle of which the rock is composed. Rock which retain water in this way is called aquifer. Look at here. So lakes, swamp, soil water. There are 145 large lakes across the globe with an area of 100 square kilometer, holding 168 cubic kilometer of water. Swamp and bogs are widespread across the earth with a total area of about 2.7 million square kilometer on about 2% of the land area. The most swampy continent is South America. The soil moisture is an integral part of the hydrosphere, and this water occurs mainly in the top 2 meters of the soil. So, categories of lake: dystrophic lakes, low food value, full of soil particles, water is usually brown. Oligotrophic lakes, nourishments, very clear water. Eutrophic lakes, well nourished, intense bird life, and lots of plankton. Look at here. The ground surface, water table, sea level, fresh ground interface, and saline water. Now fauna. What is the meaning of fauna? You can see the viper fish, vampire squid, and other animals. Oceanic and sea animals. Look at here. Ice glacier, microbes, polar bear, seal, storm petrels, and Atlantic tern, snow fleas, and reindeers. You can see the stoneflies, copperpods, ice worm, freshwater, frog, gar, catfish, alligator, river, dolphin, turtle. You can see the painted turtle. Atmospheric water, a Bacillus stratosphericus, usually found 20 miles above the earth, is believed to have been brought to the surface by atmospheric cycling, which causes evaporated water rise into the stratosphere and then fall again. So threats: pollution, overfishing, and climate change. So my friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.